Welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to come cost per units based on component in manufacturing form and how to updated BOM cost in product form. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev BOM cost. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to manufacturing. Go to bill of materials. I select table and see here cost per unit is 283 and same here display subtotal of components. Now I want to add here anyone like a screw and save. So see here cost per unit is same display, the same total. Now go to these products and see here product including BOM cost is same display. Thank you.